Okay, now I'm recording a slideshow with an inset video. You see me in the screen. I'm going to look at the webcam as I do this, and now I hit the next slide button. Whoa, what kind of a quote is this? Well, I guess it's rather profound from Neil Armstrong. One small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. Of course, very profound from 1969 when he was the first man to walk on the moon. Now, what am I talking about here? Some sort of a little picture that I'm including in the book, and presumably I want to say something about what arrow number 1 points to and what arrow number 2 points to. Ooh, this is just a stock photo. Let's call this confusion. And now the end, a picture of a pussycat. So I'm just about done with this little recording test. Bye-bye.